recording. Okay. Let me share my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, Miss, we can see your screen.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So we stopped here yesterday. So today we are here. Okay. The question says we need to graph using the x and the y intercept. Okay. So there's so many ways of doing this. You can either make y by itself, but in this case, y is already by itself. Or you can just work with the equation the way it is given to you. Okay, so here you're going to do the x-intercept. And here you're going to do the y-intercept. So you need two answers. Actually, you need three answers. You need the x and the y-intercept, and you need to graph. Okay, so you need three answers for this question. Now, x-intercept means x, you don't know, and you know that y is 0. Y-intercept means you know that x is 0, and you don't know y. You're looking for y. Okay, so in your equation, you have y equals to 4 plus 2x. Who do you know in this equation? You know y. So you're going to put y in parentheses. You're going to repeat the same equation. And this you're going to put x in parentheses because you know x is 0. So 0 equals 4 plus 2x. Y equals to 4 plus 2. Okay? Now, it doesn't matter which one you start with. I will start with finding y. So this will be y equals to 4 plus 0 because 2 times 0 is 0. So y is 4 and my y-intercept is 0, 4. I put it in parentheses and I box it. Remember we said we need how many boxes? 3 boxes. The graph, the x-intercept, and the y-intercept. Okay, let's do this. Because this is 0, it doesn't matter who I move. I will move 4. Okay? I will nagus 4 on both sides. Remember, this is my bridge. This goes away. So I have 0 minus 4 is negative 4 equals to 2x. I want x, so 2 has to go. And because I'm darbing 2 and x, to remove the darb, I have to taksim both sides. So the 2 goes. So here I will have negative 2 and x. So my answer is negative 2, 0, parentheses, and put it in a box. Okay? Then now I go to my graph and plot it. Negative 2, 0 will be here. And 0, 4 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then with my mascara, I will join my points with a straight line. And then I will label this is 0, 4. And this is negative 2, 0. Okay? Any question? I move on?
Yes, Miss, move on.
Okay. So we repeat the same thing. We need to graph after finding the x and the y-intercept. So I'm going to draw a jadwal with 2 columns. I'm going to do the x-intercept here. I'm going to do the y-intercept here. X-intercept is x, 0. Y-intercept is 0, y. So I'm going to write 5 minus parentheses y equals to negative 3x. And then here I am going to do 5 minus y equals to negative 3 parentheses x.
Miss Lilian,
Yes.
this my
I'm listening.
Miss this سؤال in the book
Yes, this all in the book.
ولا you?
No, this all in the book. I sent Heikel
Okay.
in the WhatsApp group. You didn't see?
No.
Rafia.
Okay, thank you.
Rafia. Is
Yes,
Rafia in
miss.
class?
Yes, miss.
Rafia, can you send Shama the Heikel, please?
Yeah. Okay, I will send it for her.
Okay. 5 minus 0 is 5 equals to negative 3x. I want x. I will divide by negative 3 on both sides. So this 3 goes away. So my answer is x equals to negative 5 over 3. And then I write it as a point, negative 5 over 3, comma 0. And I put it in parentheses and I box my answer. I do the same thing on this side. 5 minus y equals to 0 because negative 3 times 0 is 0. Then I will move the 5, minus 5, minus 5, not forgetting my bridge. I keep forgetting my bridge. Don't forget your bridge. Okay. So then this goes away. Then I have negative y equals to 0 minus 5 is negative 5. I will divide by negative 1 on both sides. Y equals to 5. My answer is 0, 5. I put it in parentheses and I box my answer. Now, what do I notice? I have a fraction. And when I have a fraction, it's not easy for me to know exactly the exact place. So I want to find a point that is not a fraction. So I will do a third point where x equals 1. So I will say when x equals 1. This is just to help me to draw my line clearly. Okay, so then I repeat the same equation. 5 minus y equals to negative 3 times 1. 5 minus y equals to negative 3. Minus 5 minus 5. Then what do? This goes away. Negative y equals to negative 8. I taksim by negative 1. Y equals to 8. So when x is 1, 8, y is 8. But this is not an answer for this. This is not the answer the Su'al wants. The Su'al only wants x-intercept and y-intercept. I'm just doing this to help me to draw the line correctly. So now I know I have 0, 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I plot it. Then I have 1, 8, which should be here. Okay, then I draw my line. And when you connect these points, where the line will touch the x-axis will be the exact place where negative 5.3, negative 5 over 3 should be. Okay? And as you can see, because my line is not, I don't have a ruler, this should be somewhere here, like that. Somewhere here, if you draw the line with a ruler. Okay? So then your answer is this, which is 0, 5. And your other answer will be here, which is negative 5 over 3, 0. Do not change the point. Do not change the fraction to decimal. Leave it as a fraction. Okay? All right, I move on. And don't forget to label the 0 over here. Your coordinate plane should be labeled. Even
I
here.
have a question.
Ask.
Do you know when you did the x equal 1? Can you repeat how did you do the 5 minus y, something like this?
Okay, I am here. What is negative 3 times 1? Negative 3.
Negative 3. Yes.
So this 5 is positive. It has to come to be friends with negative 3. How? If you are positive, for you to move, you must be negative. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so this becomes 0. What is remaining? Negative y.
Yes.
Okay. What is negative 3 minus 5? That is negative 8. And then you want y. This is negative y. This is not y. So to remove this negative, you have to taksim both sides by negative 1. So now you have a positive y because the negative goes away. So positive y, and here negative, taksim negative is positive. So when x is 1, y is 8. You see that?
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Same thing we do over here. Move on this side. Okay. We do the x-intercept here. We're going to do the y-intercept here. This is x, comma 0, 0, comma y. 0, comma y. Okay. So I know y. So this will be x equals to 5, parentheses y, plus 5. I know x. X parentheses equals to 5y plus 5. X equals to 5 multiply 0 plus 5. X equals to 0 plus 5. X equals to 5. 5, comma 0. This is your first answer. 0 equals to 5y plus 5 minus 5 minus 5. This is negative 5 equals to 5y. Divide by 5 on both sides. Negative 1 equals to y. Your answer is 0, negative 1. Okay? And because my points are all integers, I will now plot. 0, negative 1 goes here. And 5, 0 goes here. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 0 is there. And with mascara, you join and draw the arrows. And label your points. This is 0, negative 1. And this is 5, 0. Okay? Any question up to here? Any question?
No.
Okay, I move on.
Yes, please.
Okay. We are here. We do the same thing. X-intercept, Y-intercept, X, comma 0, 0, comma Y, X plus Y equals to 4. X plus Y equals to 4. X plus 0 equals to 4. X plus 0 is X. So the answer here is 4, comma 0. And then 0 plus y equals to 4. 0 plus y is y. And this will be 0, comma 4. And you box your answer. And you go to your plot. 4, 0 will be here, 2, 3, 4. And 0, 4 will be here, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then with your mascara, you join your lines, your points, sorry, with a straight line. Make sure you label your coordinate plane. And then label your answer. This is 0, comma 4. And this is 4, comma 0. Okay? Do the same thing here. We need, excuse me. x-intercept, y-intercept. Then what do I write here? X comma 0 and 0 comma y. And then here x minus y equals to -3. And here x parentheses minus y equals to -3. X minus 0 equals to -3. X minus 0 will be x. This will be -3. -3 comma 0. You box your answer. 0 minus y equals to -3. 0 minus y will be -y equals to -3. I divide both sides by -1. This goes away. Y equals to 3. Your answer is 0, 3, and you box it. Okay, then you plot -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, which will be here. Label it. Wait, I don't know where the line is going, so I have to wait. And then 0, 3. No. -3, 0 will be here. -3, 0. And 0, 3 will be here. Okay. And then, so make sure you check your work more than one time because you can make a mistake. Okay. So then this is -3, 0, and this is 0, 3. Okay. We do this one. We have here x-intercept, and here y-intercept, and here x comma 0, 0 comma y, and then here you have y parentheses because it is 0 equals to 8 minus 6x, and here you have y equals to 8 minus 6x. First put the x in parentheses. Then 0 equals to 8 minus 6x. Then I can do plus 6x plus 6x. When you have 0, it doesn't matter who you move, okay? You can move either the harf or the rakam. It doesn't matter. 6x equals to 8. Divide both sides by 6. X equals to 4/3. Now, because this is a fraction, I will have to do a third point. But your answer is 4/3, 0, parentheses, and you box it. Okay, then we do this one. Y equals to 8 minus 6 multiply 0. Y equals to 8 minus 0. Y equals to 8. Then this will be 0, 8. And you box your answer. Then I want to do when x is 1. When x is 1, y equals to 8 minus 6. Y equals to 8 minus 6 multiply 1. Y equals to 8 minus 6. Y equals to 2, so 1 and 2. Okay? Then I will plot 1 and 2, and then it will help me get this point exactly where it's supposed to be on the x-axis. I label my coordinate plane. I need 0, 8, which is here. And I need 1, 2, which is here. And then with the mascara, I will draw a line going through my points. Four over 3 will be somewhere here. So this is now where the line meets the black line, you put a dot there, and then you label it 4/3, 0, because that's one of your answers, and your other answer is 0, 8. Do not label this point. This point is just to help you to draw the line. Okay? All right. Now we are here. The question says, any questions about these questions for the graph? Before I move on, any su'al?
No, miss.
Okay. Make sure you put arrows on your line when you finish drawing. Yes, all my lines have arrows. Okay. The population density. So this question is talking about population density. How many people are in a certain area? The table shows the population density for the state of Texas in various years. Find the average annual rate of change in population density from 2000 to 2009. So I'm only going to use these numbers because that's what the Su'al told me. Okay, so I'm going to write here, rate of change equals to change in Y over change in X. Okay, so it doesn't matter which number you start with. It doesn't matter. You can start with 96.7 or you can start with 79.6. It does not matter. Okay. All right. So 96 and 7/10 minus 79 and 6/10. And 96 is with 2009. And this one is with 2000. Okay, at the bottom, you should have 9. At the top, you should have 17.1. Somebody confirm my math? You should have 17.1 over here. Did I calculate correctly? And then you should get, these ones look like parentheses, supposed to be number 1. Okay, so this should give you 1 and 9/10 when you divide. Okay, then you write your sentence, the average, find the average annual rate of change. The average annual rate of change is 1.9 people per square mile. I am just using the words that are in the question. See, the average annual rate of change. And then I wrote, so this is my answer. So this is our answer. Okay, we move on. In 2012, there was approximately 275 students. So you write 2012, 275. In the Delaware High School Band in 2018, the number increased to 305. Find the annual rate of change of the number of students in the band. Okay, so rate of change equals to change in Y over change in X. The first rakams are X, the second rakams are Y. Okay? Now you go here, you can do 305 minus 275 over 2018 minus 2012. The bottom number is 6. The top number is 30. And that should give us 5. And then write your answer, the annual rate of change in the number of students in the band is 5. And you box your answer. Or 5 students per year. Yeah, you can say that. 5 students per year. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's look at this. The graph shows the temperature in a city during different hours of one day. Find the rate of change of temperature between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. 6 a.m. is here because that's the rakam that matches with 6 a.m. 7 a.m. is here. My answer will be negative because my line is going down. So if I don't get a negative answer, I am wrong. Okay? Then it says, describe its meaning in the context of the situation. So you're going to do here rate of change. You can write change in Y over change in X if you don't want to use the words. Okay, your X rakams are your time. So you're going to do 7 minus 6. And then what's the rakam for 7? The rakam for 7 is here in the middle. So let's just assume it is 55. And the rakam for 6 is 60. If you go up from 6 a.m., you go vertically up, the rakam you meet at the blue line will be 60. Okay, then you should get -5 over 1. Okay, and then you say, as the time increased by 1 hour, as the time increased by 1 hour, the temperature dropped or decreased. The temperature dropped by 5 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what the Su'al told you. Describe its meaning in the context of the situation. Okay? Now we have part B. It wants us to look at 1 p.m.
Miss,
and 2 p.m. Yes.
isn't it -5?
Yeah, but because you use the word dropped, you cannot use ishara. Dropped means negative.
Okay.
Okay? So you see here we got -5 maha, sir?
Yes.
So here is the -5, but when you're writing your sentence, you cannot say it dropped by -5. Dropped is already negative, okay?
Okay.
All right. So now we want to look at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m., which is here. This is 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. My line is going down, so my answer should be negative. If I don't get a negative answer, I am wrong. We repeat the same thing. You're going to write rate of change equals to change in Y over change in X. You're going to put your X's, which is 2 minus 1. And then what's the rakam for 2? The rakam for 2 is 90. And the rakam for 1 will be maybe 95. Okay? Because it's right here. Okay? Then what should you get? You will get, it will equal -5 over 1. Okay? Then you will write the same thing. As the time increased, because the question told you to describe, as the time increased by 1 hour, the temperature decreased by 5 degrees Fahrenheit. See here, I use dropped. Here, I use decreased. So there are different ways of you saying negative, okay? You can use dropped. You can use went down. The temperature went down like that, okay? Any question about this question?
No, miss.
All right, we move on, right? Okay, find the rate of change. So you've been given a graph that's talking about exports of coal, okay? The graph shows annual coal exports from US mines in millions. Oh, this is very important. Oh, this has to be in your answer. If you don't use these words, mushkil, okay? All right, because it's the units for your Y values, okay? Now, find the rate of change in coal exports between 2000 and 2002. 2000 is almost 60. It's closer to 60. It is not yet at 60. So I can say 58. So I'll say 2000. We'll go with 58. And it's not just 58. It is 58 million. Okay, 58 million. Then 2002 is on the line that goes with 40 million. 2002 goes with 40 million. I went to 2002 and I went up. It's touching the blue line at 40 million. Then you repeat the same thing we've been doing. Rate of change equals to change in Y over change in X equals, I don't have space here. I'll continue horizontally. Here will be 2002 minus 2000. And here will be 40 minus 58, minus 58. And I should not forget the word million. Okay, then that will give me negative, how much? 18? Sir? Yes, over 2. And that will give me negative 9. Okay. That will give me negative 9 million. And my line is going down, so I know my answer is correct. I have a negative rakam. Now, describe the meaning in the context of the situation, okay? As the years increased, as the year increased from 2000 to 2002, the coal exports decreased or declined. You can use decreased, declined, went down. All these are good words. Okay, dropped, you can use those words. Decreased by 9 million. Do not forget that 9 million. It is very important. Okay. Let's do part B. Rate of change. Rate of change. Rate of change equals to change in Y over change in X. I need to box this like this to separate. Okay, so this will equal to, what do I want? 2005 and 2006. So 2006 minus 2005, 2005, 2006. They are all both on 50. million. So this is 50 minus 50 million. And you should get 0 over 1, which is 0. So then you will write as the year increased from 2005 to 2006, there were no coal. There was no change. There was no change in the coal exports. And you box your answer. Why did I say there was no change? Because my rate of change is 0. Okay? Any question up to here?
No, miss.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the end of part 2. So we've answered every question in part 2. The writing part, okay? Now we should start part 1, sir. How much time do we have? We have 15 minutes.
No, miss,
Yes? Yeah, we have 15 minutes. Can we do part 1? Or you want us to do part 1 tomorrow?
Let's start today.
Okay, part 1.
I have a question.
Yes.
So, like the thing that we studied yesterday and today, these are the only things that will come in the writing part?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. All right, which part of part 1 you don't know, or should I just start from the beginning?
Can we start from the beginning?
Okay. All right. Who's doing number 1?
Miss, can I do it?
So,
Okay. Yalla.
First thing, we will do plus 9 for the 9. And we will do
What
plus 9.
happened to the bridge?
Okay, I have to do a bridge first.
Okay.
Plus 9 to the two sides.
Why?
The 9, because we want to get rid of the 9, and the 9 is negative. So we will change.
Why do we want to get rid of the 9?
Because we want the V to be alone.
Yes, because we want V to be alone.
So the 9 with the 9 will go.
No, this is not the 9 and the 9. Say
Negative
9.
Negative 9 with positive 9 will go.
Thank you.
And then 14 plus 9 will give us 23. So V will equal to 23.
Very good. And then check your work to make sure you're correct. What do I do?
Do we put 23 minus 9?
Okay, 23 minus 9.
It will give us 14.
Finish. 23 minus 9 equal?
23 minus 9 equals 14.
Then what do I do?
Box my answer?
No,
we have to check. We have to check.
No. Look. You're replacing V, sir?
Yes.
Okay, now solve. What do you get? 14 equal 14
equals 14.
And then that's how you know your answer is correct.
Okay.
Who is doing number 2?
Me.
Okay, do.
Plus 72. First bridge.
Okay.
44 plus 72 is 116.
116? Okay, yes, I agree.
Equality.
Very good.
Now
check your
check.
work.
44 equal 116 minus 72. 44 equal 44.
Okay. Who's doing 3? Somebody do 3. No? It's easy.
Can I do it, please?
Okay, try.
First thing we will do a bridge,
Okay.
and then we will put for the 18. We want to take the 18 because we want the D to be unknown.
Okay, but
We will
first
do
you have to make this one. What does this become?
a negative 18.
Yes, okay. Now write the new su'al.
So we will do positive 18.
Here. Write the new su'al.
Negative 61
Uh-huh.
equals D minus 18.
Very good.
And then we will add 18 to the both sides.
Very good.
18 with 18, it will go.
Negative 18.
Negative 18 with positive 18 will go.
Okay.
And then negative 61 plus 18 will give us negative 43.
Okay.
Equals D.
Okay.
And then we will check our answer.
Yes. But you should not ask. You should tell me.
Okay.
So
we will do negative 61.
Yes.
Equals negative 43.
I did. Okay. Yes. Negative 43.
And then minus 18.
You check here on the su'al. Follow the su'al.
Okay. Plus. And then open a parenthesis. Minus negative 18. Close the parenthesis. And then we will do a bridge.
Okay.
A negative 43 plus negative 18 will give us negative plus negative 18 will give us negative 61.
Okay. How do you know you're correct?
Because it's the same. It can
What
give
is the
us
same?
The negative 61 is equal to the negative 61.
Very good. Okay. The last step of your check is the same number on both sides. Okay. All right. Yalla. Somebody quickly.
Can we go to another topic?
Not this one. We move to another one?
Yes.
Okay. You know how to do this?
Yes.
Question 8 and question 18?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss, can we do one of these, please?
Which one do you want us to do?
Question 8.
Okay, do.
First thing we will write negative 16. No,
Bridge.
before it we have to do a bridge.
Okay.
And then we will do negative 16 minus we open a parenthesis.
No, you do this. What does this become?
It will be a positive plus.
Okay, so plus
T.
Okay.
Equals negative 45.
Okay.
And then we will do positive 16 for the two sides, plus 16.
Okay.
The 16 with the 16 will go.
Let's say again.
The negative 16 with the positive 16 will go.
Okay.
And then negative 45 plus...
What's the answer to the left?
T equals negative 45 plus 16 will give us negative 29.
Okay.
And now we have to check our answer.
Okay.
So we will write negative 16 minus, we open a parenthesis, negative 29.
Negative 29.
Why do you have to put 2?
Because there's a negative here. You see here?
Yes.
Look, okay. Let's see if you're good. Let's put one negative and let's see what we will get.
Okay.
This becomes
negative 45.
Okay.
So we will write negative 16.
Put this in the calculator. What do you get?
Negative 16 minus parenthesis negative 29 close the parenthesis equals wait. Do you have to miswrite equal negative 45 or like just equal?
No, you don't put equal in the...
It will give us 23.
So are you correct?
No, wrong.
No. So put the other negative back. Put two negatives in there and
Okay,
see what you get.
negative 16 minus, open a parenthesis, negative 29, close the parenthesis, 29, close the parenthesis, and then it will give us negative 45.
So you see, that negative is important.
Okay.
This negative is for the su'al. T is negative 29. Do you see that?
Yes.
That's the reason why you have two negatives here, okay? The negative for the su'al, and this is T. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Miss.
All right. Any other su'al? We move on to something else?
Yes, please.
Okay. What do you want us to do? This?
Miss?
Anything here?
No.
Okay. Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Okay, tell me where you want us to go. Which of the su'al you want us to solve?
Miss, can we go to 3?
Question 3? Here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. The question is asking us to simplify each expression. That means what? That means can you add or can you subtract? And if you then you will write not possible. Okay? All right. Can we add?
Yes.
Why?
Because the ishara is the same.
Ishara?
I mean, like the R is the same.
Yes,
two
the variables are
both
the same. Yes.
Yes.
So this will become 18R.
18R.
And we box our answer. Can we subtract?
No, because the 3x is to the power 3 and the 2x is to the power 2.
Yes, so this is not possible because the exponents are not the same. Not possible. Because the exponents are not the same. All right. Can I add? Can I add?
No.
Can I subtract?
Yes.
Who can I subtract?
7m with negative 5m.
No, 7m with 5m. Subtracting, sir?
Yes.
Plus
it will give
7.
us 2.
2m. It will not
plus
give
7.
you, yes, plus 7. Any question up to here?
No.
We move on?
Yes.
All right. Can I add?
Yes.
You can add only two numbers, 5z to the power 2 and 8z to the power 2.
Yes, 8z squared plus 3z. So because these are friends, I can add them. That will be 13z squared plus 3z. Can I add?
Yes, 3 numbers.
Yes.
Three values. What are the 3 values?
7m plus 2m plus 4m.
Plus 4m plus
Which will
5p.
us,
and then I will do this because these ones are friends.
13m plus 5p.
Yes, 13m plus 5p, and I box my answer. Can I add?
Yes.
No.
Who?
Oh, yes. The 6x with the 5x.
Okay. 4y. 6x plus 5x.
6x plus 5x will give us 11x.
Plus.
That's for
y.
y.
And we box our answer. Can we add?
Yes, 2 numbers. No, all
Two
of
values.
them. We can add all of them. 2
Two values. Yes, which 2 values can I add?
3m
M.
with 11m.
With 11m and?
And 5g with 6g.
I agree. Friends, friends.
It will equal to 14m plus
I agree.
11g.
11g. And you box your answer. Very good. Can we add?
Yes.
Who?
Yes.
5a squared plus 2a squared plus a squared.
5a squared plus 2a squared plus a squared plus 4a. Continue.
5a squared plus 2a squared will give us 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 4 will give us 12.
8 plus 4, how?
Oh,
And this one?
no. It will give us 8 a squared plus 4a.
I agree with you. Continue.
Yes. Continue.
Continue.
Yes.
We can add 5k with the 7k.
Wait, always start with the big exponent, okay?
Okay. So 3k to the power 3
say
plus
3k cubed
3k cubed plus 9k cubed plus 5k plus 7k.
Okay.
3k cubed plus 9k cubed will give us 12k cubed.
Okay.
And 5k plus 7k will give us 12k.
Very good. And you box your
Answer.
Can we add?
The first one we cannot add, but we can subtract.
Very good. Continue.
14x minus 9 will give us 5x.
Okay, so what do I write?
6x squared. And then 5x.
Where is the ishara?
Plus 6x.
Plus?
6x.
No, what is 14 minus 9?
No, 5x. 5x.
5x. I agree with you.
We can add 17g with plus g. It will give us 18g.
Very good. Continue.
And then we can add 2x to the power 2 plus
2x squared. 2x squared.
2x squared plus 6x squared, which will give us 8x squared.
Very good.
We can subtract the 7a to the squared minus 2a squared, which will give us 5a squared.
I agree with you.
And then in question 52, we cannot add or subtract because every number have a different value.
Not possible because we don't have like terms. Because we don't have like terms. Okay, I agree with you. Continue.
We can subtract 3q cubed.
Say correctly.
3q squared. Sorry.
Thank you.
Minus q squared, which will give us 2q squared.
Okay, what's our answer though?
2q squared plus q.
Very good.
We can subtract.
Read the su'al.
Solve each equation and state whether the equation has one solution, no solution, or is an identity.
Okay, so we solve and state if your answer is one solution, no solution, or identity. How will you know you have one solution? You should have harf equals number. Do we understand?
Yes.
How do you have no solution? When your left and the right are different, not the same. Okay?
Okay.
So like 6 and -6, no solution. X equals to Y, no solution, because you're not the same. So either you have the same harf or you have the same rakam. If they are different, then no solution. Identity is when all the harfs are the same, or Y equals to Y, or your rakams are the same. 0 equals to 0. That's what identity means. Identity means when the left value is equal to the right value. Okay, all right, let's solve this. Here is our bridge. What do we do?
Miss, identity is like infinitely.
Yes, identity is like infinity, yes. Uh-huh. What do we do here? Who do I move?
We will move -3 to the other
Okay.
side and
Okay.
the positive 6y to the other side.
Okay. Sufur. Come.
0 equal 6.
6. What about this one?
Minus 12y.
Hey,
No, 6y.
please
Negative
put
6.
it, look again. This is positive and this is negative, this is positive. This should be 0 because they are additive inverses. Okay?
Okay.
All right, what is our answer? What's our answer?
No solution.
Very good. No solution. What's the because? Kef.
Because they are different.
Because the left value is not the same as the right value. Okay? Or because 0 is not equal to 6. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Do this one. What should we do?
Distributive property.
Okay. Distributive property. Bridge. What do I get?
1/2x
Okay.
plus 3 equal 1/2x minus 9.
Do I need to solve?
No.
They're already different, sir.
Yes.
So I can say no solution, but solve. Move your half. Yes, Nagas half x, Nagas half x. This will be 0 and this will be 0. Then you'll have 3 equals to -9. And then you write no solution. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Time is finished.
I agree. I totally agree. Do we continue or we continue tomorrow? What do you think?
Tomorrow.
The rest of you, do you agree with Shama? We continue tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thanks so much.
Bye
Miss.
bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Miss, is my share from YouTube?
Yes, I will put it on WhatsApp when it comes, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye.